Here, in this video, I will show you how to make a prebiotic probiotic salad combo. This has a great natural way to produce short-chain fatty acids that do miracles for your health. You will need 250 grams of yogurt. As you know, yogurt is a natural probiotic and great for your gut health. Add 1 tablespoon of hashab prebiotic to the yogurt. This has at least 85% soluble fibers, of which most are prebiotic polysaccharides and oligosaccharides. Mix it well and then add 1 pinch of salt. You will also need a cucumber, tomato, onion, green chili, coriander, and garlic. All these vegetables have high prebiotic content as well. Cut all the vegetables, add the vegetables to the yogurt, and then mix them. Enjoy your prebiotic probiotic salad combo.